In this video we are discussing about functions, the definition of function and the types of the functions. See first function, the definition of function. The definition of function already we studied in first PUC. Now in second PUC we have from types of the functions. Once we will recall that the definition of function. What is the definition of function? You see, a relation f is mapping from A to B is said to be function if all the elements of A having unique image in set B. It is called a function. Say that means all the elements of A having unique images in B, then the relation f is mapping from A to B is called function. You see one example. A, B. Here, set A contains the elements A, B, C. Set B is 1, 2, 3, 4 is there. So A is related to 1, B is related to 2, C is related to 3. So it is the function because all the elements have unique images in set B. So A image is 1, B image is 2, C image is 3. So it is the function. Next, one more example you see. Second example. This is the set A, this is the set B. Here set A contains the same elements A, B, C. Set B consists of 1, 2, 3, 4. A is related to 1, B is related to 1, C is related to 2. It is a function or not? Is it function or not? It is the function only. Because every element has unique images. You see, A image, what is the image of A? 1, only one image. B image is 2, C image is B image is 1, C image is 2. So it means every element having unique image. So it is the function. You see one more example. A, B, here A, B, C, 1, 2, 3, 4. Here A is related to 1, related to 2, B is related to 3, C is related to 4. So it is not a function. What is the reason here? The images of A are 1 and 2 means A having not a unique images, A having 2 images. So it is not a function. So this is the definition of the function, right? So here A is called domain, A is called domain, B is called codomain, and f of A is called range. Here you see in this relation, in this function, the domain elements are set of A, B, C. Codomain is a set of 1, 2, 3, 4. Range is a set of 1, 2, 3 only. Here, this is not a function, so we will not define a domain and the range codomain also. Right? This is the definition of function. Now, second you see we have from types of the functions. So you see what is the types of the functions? You see first mainly we have here 3 functions. First one is 1, 1 or injective. 1 or injective function. 1 or injective function. Very simple, you see. A function f is mapping from A to B is said to be 1, 1 or injective. 1, 1 or injective if all the elements of A of A having unique images. Unique images. Or you say x1 x1 comma x2 belongs to A and f of x1 is equals to f of x2 implies that x1 is equals to x2. x1 is equals to x2. Then the function f is called injective. Here you say all the elements of B having unique pre-images. All the elements of B having unique pre-images of A. Then the function is called 1 or injective. You see one example. First one. This is a set A, set B. It is a function from A to B. A elements are A, B, C. B elements are 1, 2, 3, 4. C A is related to 1, B is related to 2, C is related to 3. So every element have unique pre-image. 1 pre-image is A, 2 pre-image is B, 3 pre-image is C. That means all the elements have unique pre-images. So it is the 1 function or injective function. See one example. Set A, set B. Here A, B, C, 1, 2, 3, 4. A is related to 1, B is related to 2, C is related to 4. It is not a 1 function. Why you say 1 pre-images are A and B. So 1 doesn't have a unique pre-image. So it is not a 1 or injective function. Understood? It is not a 1 or injective function. That means every element having unique pre-image. In codomain elements having unique pre-images, then it is called 1 or injective function. Right? This is the definition of 1 or injective function. Next to onto or subjective. Onto or subjective. Onto or subjective function. Here you say if it is not a 1 function, then it is called a mini 1 function. Right? See, this is a mini 1 function. That means one having more than 1 images, 3 images. So it is the mini 1 function. It is the 1 function. Right? Next, coming to onto or subjective function. See, very simple is one. Codomain is equals to range. Then it is the onto function. Otherwise, you see the definition. F is mapping from A to B is said to be onto or subject to if all the elements of B having pre-images. No need of unique, but it having pre-images. Otherwise, we see here for all B belongs to B, there exists A belongs to A such that f of A is equals to B. This is the definition. See example. Here you see this is the 1 function. Is it onto or not? You see. What is the condition? Every element in the B having pre-image. Then it is called subject to or onto function. Here you see 4 doesn't have pre-image. So it is not a onto function. It is a one function, but it is not a onto function. Here in this case also, the 2 and 3 doesn't have pre-images, so it is not a onto function. One more here you see which is the onto function. You see one example here A, B, C, 1, 2, 3. So 1 is related to 1, 2 is related to 2, 3 is related to 3. So it is the onto function because all the elements have pre-image. So it is the onto function. It is the 1 1 or not? It is the 1 1 function also. It is 1 1 and onto function. Next second one, you say set A and set B. Here A, B, C, 1, 2 and right. 1 is related to 1, A is related to 1, B is related to 2, C is also related to 2. So it is a onto function. Here this one you say this is also onto function because every element having images. One image is A, two images are B and C. So it is the onto function, but it is not a 1 1 function. It is only onto function. This is 1 1 and the onto function. Understood? This is the definition of 1 1 and onto function. In exam, in our board exam, for 1 mark they are asking the definitions of 1 1 are adjective function or onto or subjective functions. Next we have bijective function also. See bijective function. What is the definition of bijective? Very simple, you say bijective function. Bijective function. A function f is mapping from A to B is said to be bijective. If it is 1 1 means injective and onto, otherwise subjective. If it is injective and subjective, then it is called bijective function. Otherwise you see f is mapping from A to B is bijective if and only if for all x1 comma x2 belongs to A comma f of x1 is equal to f of x2 implies that x1 is equal to x2 and for all B belongs to B, there exists A belongs to A such that f of A is equal to B. That means it is satisfying 1 1 and onto. Then it is called bijective function. Understood? This is the definition of bijective function. See one example. A, here set of A, B, C, here 1, 2, 3 and right. 1 related to 1, 2 related to 2, B related to 2, C related to 3. So it is the bijective function because it is the 1 1 because every element has very pre-image and every element in set B having pre-images. So it is the onto. It is 1 1 and onto means bijective function. Next set A, set B. A, B, C, 1, 2, 3 is there. Only 2 are there. So it is not a bijective function. Why? It is not a onto function. It is not a 1 1 function. It is not a 1 1 function because two having two pre-images, more than 1 pre-images. So it is not a injective, so it is not a bijective function. Next one more example we see A and B. Set of A and C here 1, 2, 3, 4. A related to 1, B related to 2, C related to 3. So it is also is not a bijective function because it is a one function, but it is not an onto function. What is the reason? 4 does not have a pre-image, so it is not a onto function. So it is not a bijective function. So these are the examples, right? So 1 are injective, onto or surjective, and bijective. These three definitions you have to remember. Next, after that, we have some important points. See here. Note. First one. If f is mapping from A to B is onto or surjective, if and only if f of A is equals to B. What is the f of A? What is the B? F of A is the range, B is the codomain. Range is equals to codomain. That is the first one. Second one, f is mapping from A to B is bijective. It is bijective. If and only if number of A is equals to number of B. Number of otherwise if and only sometimes is not such for converse. So then if you mapping from A to B is bijective, then number of A is equals to number of B only. Because over here you see this one, what I given, this is the bijective function. 1 and on. So it is the bijective function. What are the number of elements in A? 3 elements. Number of elements in B? 3 elements. So it is the bijective function. So it means A and B having three same equal number of images, and those are 1 and on. So it is the bijective function. Bijective function when it is existing, if A and B having equal number of elements, in that cases only the bijective functions may exist. Not definitely, may exist. If it is existing means definitely those are having same number of equal number of elements, right? This is the second. These are the very important notes, right? In next video we will solve some problems. Based on these we have some problems. That is exercise 1.2 we will see in next video, right?